Okay, so Citroen Relay van. I had always foggy windscreen and I didn't really know the cause. It was just like when I switched on the heating, it was instead of to remove the fog, the water, the steam from the glass, then instead of just became more and more, and sometimes became worse, sometimes became better, and so on, until yesterday was so much steam came up from the bottom, and looks like in this case is yeah, just one thing, when I wiped the windscreen it was a bit sticky, oily, so that's probably indicated also is coolant water. So I opened this bottom part, I removed the panels, and looks like it was coolant water in the bottom. I wiped it out already, and looks like coolant water leaking from the radiator. Unfortunately, to fix the problem, need to remove all the dashboard, and then hopefully I can get into and I can fix it. So I removed all the bottom parts and now the next step is removing the ventilations, and then this radio middle part, this bottom panel also, the gear handle probably, and the cover around from the steering wheel. So the next step by removing the fans is just probably need that little special tool. Yes, so I can grab the bottom, and with these things the top, and then that pin is going into that hole, so all the rest probably will be the same. Okay, so all taken out. Next is the radio area. So the radio need 4 pin to push in, and then after screws, and maybe first I'm not sure, I will see. Folytassuk.
Oh no.
Okay.
This.
Okay, so that things,
3.49.
it was 1 screw in the middle, and then
3.47.
and then just take it out,
3.47.
undo the connections.
3.48.
Okay, so was many screws everywhere, here and there and there and there, and then that one and that one, and then taken out. Next one is the speedometer, 2 screws, and hopefully just need to unclick it. Okay, for the cover for this drive wheel. Yeah. Yo, okay. Oops, I'm here. Okay, so all the screws everywhere mostly came with fitted with this sort of screw. I think is the T25, maybe something like that. And except underneath this one was 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Which one is something hexagon, not visible anyway. But the T15 was alright to take it out, and was 4 in the bottom, and 3 more when the top cover, which one was holding the top cover. 2 is very deeply one side and other side, and 1 is in a bottom here, that one. Other way to take out this cover, looks like need to take off the drive wheel. Let's see that later. I hope don't need to take out I just tried to remove the less things as possible. Let's continue. Okay, so the bonnet opener has again some sort of hexagon, but the T30 looks like working for that. For the bonnet opener had this little clip here, which when is pushed in probably is holding in place, so not gonna fall out. But now at the moment this clip I store it with the screws, and I need to unhook that cable, and that can also come out. That in the left side was 3 connection. One is the antenna going to the roof from the radio. I disconnected it already, and the other 2 just was not connected but clipped onto the plastic there, and I just removed because all of these things need to come out. Okay, so the drive wheel removal. It's because I never done this. It was a bit harder for me. Let's say. So the things is the screwdriver need to be pushed in, but not much. Only just that point. So that means only just like that much. And as it pushed in, just need to twist. And it's clicking out. It's just so simple, but it took me a while. So when the screwdriver is pushed in, so probably is going in like there. Oops. And when it's twisted, then it's pushing this pin out. And the whole thing's just jumping out. So it's just only that much need to push in, and as it's twisted, not visible, twisted, then it's pushed that way by the twisting force. Okay, so it was a size 24 nut in the middle, and also this need to remove from there, and then the drive wheel just sliding off. Okay, all this like indicator and windscreen wiper, I think it's called stork, I'm not sure. So I just removed the connectors. One was in a back somewhere there, other one was clicked in there, and then clicked in, not visible actually, there, and then after it's just a little pin. I just pushed back accidentally anyway, so I just put the screwdriver, lift it up, make sure, because the pin releasing, and then I've been able to pull off the whole things. So just one more thing about that. So was one screw with the Allen K size 5 was from the bottom, and then that clip and that came off very easily. So the next step is the whole dashboard need to come off. Yeah, probably I gonna unclip the 2, I don't know what's the name of these panels, and that makes easier to come out the dashboard. And the screws is Allen size 6mm, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, where is it anymore? That's loose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, okay, so actually was 8 screws, because was one more in the under the dashboard, under the speedometer, sorry. And now the whole thing's about loose. So next I will try to take it out. Let's see, let's hope. So one more thing, the gear handle just was need to twist, and then the whole things after that just came out easily. So just for reference, cables, so one cable came out from there, one is from there, other one, all the cables coming out from there and going to here, and there is the radio, and that's tightened there, so that's not gonna move. and the rest is actually all right.
And be careful.
Again, okay, my son pointed me out. I didn't know that things can come out. I was struggling with it for a while, and then he showed me, thank you very much, about he figured it out, and then I'm not sure, maybe something I need to remove. I will keep investigating. Okay, so was 3 screws there, the same screws as in the front, same screws as was holding the body in a bottom part under that cover, and now the whole things came out. Let's take it out now. Okay, so it's taken out, the dashboard. Wasn't easy, but possible. Without my son's help wouldn't be possible, because he pointed me out those 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Yes, and then now the next things is need to take out the heater matrix somehow. Not much visibility still. Okay. Probably this frame bottom frame need to take out. Yeah. Which one might also screwed on the floor. Let's see. Okay, so only just one more thing. So I disconnected those cables, and that one will come out probably together with the heater matrix, because that's the controller of the heater matrix. And then now I remove some bolts, and hopefully the whole heater matrix gonna come out to this side. Let's hope. So bolts from the bottom, I can reach it. There is the bolt, the other side is the same. Yeah, there is the bolt, and that one also the top of this, not that much visible. So from the bottom is coming up to the top here, bolted, same as the other side. And then I can see is also maybe this leg can stay, and just unbolting in there. Yes, and also this bracket, if I gonna remove, and something like that. I will see. So whole dashboard is out, and in the engine I need to disconnect when the heater matrix is ready to take out. I need to disconnect the 2 hoses going into the radiator. Yeah, just one more. So that's the engine, and that's the 2 pipes. If hopefully I don't need to drain it off because of the lever. So if I just take it out and lift it up, same as the other one, and then lift it up, then I just put some plastic bag on that, and then hopefully don't need to drain off the water, the coolant water. And hopefully don't need to take out this big metal. I really hope. So now, as the dashboard removed, I think I just stopped this video, was it 15 minutes, and next video I will continue how to take out the heater matrix. Yep.